Hi, this is Marc Emden. This is the second installment of how to testify effectively in your domestic violence case. So today is the big day. Are you ready? You know from your earlier preparation that you've thought a lot about what you're going to say and when you testify in court. You've worked with your lawyer. You've been coached about how to prepare, what to say, and how you're going to say it. But now comes the big day when you're going to actually get a chance to speak to the judge or jury and to tell them about what happened to you, what this person did to hurt you. So these are some tips that you can employ that will make your testimony in court today shine so that you will become a dangerous and effective witness against the person that's accused of hurting you. So the first thing you need to know is going to court is not a small matter. It is not an easy thing. And you deserve a lot of credit for being willing to make the journey. You want to get to the courtroom early. You want to go inside the courtroom. You want to walk around. You want to sit in the chair that you may be sitting in, look at the jury box, and just get comfortable with the layout of the courtroom and see where the various people will be standing or sitting during the course of the trial. You know from your earlier preparation, because you've rehearsed with your lawyer about areas of difficulty that you may have or areas that may be confusing to you. You also know that the lawyer who's going to be asking you questions, the cross-examining lawyer, is going to be using methods to try to discredit you, to make it look like you're being inaccurate or lying about this. One of the things that you can employ is to break the rhythm of the cross-examining lawyer. And by that I mean that you know that cross-examination is the art of asking a series of questions so that the answers to those questions are yes or no. So effectively that lawyer is telling a story and using you to just say yes or no. You want to break that lawyer's rhythm. So when that lawyer says to you, was the light red or green, instead of just saying yes or no, you're going to say yes, the light was red, or no, the light was green. And so by repeating some of the answer in your yes or no answer, you're going to be slowing him down because he or she is not going to be able to just pepper you with lots of questions once you say yes or no by moving on to the next question. The best advice I can give you also is to be honest and admit if you've made mistakes, or admit if there's some inconsistency in your testimony today versus another day. Because juries and judges will forgive you for being honest and admitting to making a mistake. They will be less willing to forgive you if they think you've been deceptive in terms of your testimony in this case. Remember, you can't control the entire outcome of the case, but what you know is you are the master of what happened to you. You know that this happened to you, and you have the ability to tell people who care about the outcome of the case what happened. You also will have faith in your lawyer to guide you through this, and faith in yourself that you know what to say because you've rehearsed well for this case. The final thing I want to tell you is, if this applies to you, that you want to forgive yourself for having had this happen to you, that it's not your fault. And so that perhaps by recognizing that something very bad has happened to you that you're dealing with, that you do not deserve to be punished for this, that this will perhaps make your day in court much easier. So that at the end of all of this, you will know that you've done the best job possible so that you can win your case. My name is Marc Emden. If you have any questions, please email me at memden, which is my last name, Emden, at emdenlaw.com. Thank you.